Hello and welcome back. In the last video, we saw the easiest way to build an app on Fuzen using our app builder AI. While AI works really well at building a skeleton of your app, sometimes it can struggle to add the finishing touches. In such cases, you can try building your app using a pre-configured app template from Fuzen's marketplace. Go to the app marketplace, and here you can search for different types of app templates. You will find some basic free templates, as well as some premium templates with advanced features and more robust functionality. You can browse through the template screenshots to get a good understanding of how it works. Once you find a template that matches your requirement, proceed to purchase it, or you can directly install it if it's free. Once you have purchased and installed a template, a new app is created as per the template functionality and design. It's a no-code app which you can further customize by going to the Edit Apps section. Here you can change the data structure, pages, and workflows that were imported from the template. You can also edit the individual pages from the page builder. And workflows can be edited by going to the workflow builder. All of this is done without getting into coding or any technicalities. Simple, isn't it? And the best part is that you only need to pay for the template once. Afterwards, you only incur a minimal cost for hosting your app on Fuzen. So there you have it. Another very simple way to build your app on Fuzen, without learning any no-code tools. But if you're still interested in learning the basics of no-code, we are going to do that in the next video. So I'll see you in the next one.